Enye yenzame zayo eziqhubekayo zokulwa uqhagamshelo lombane ngongekho mthethweni kunye nokunyanzelisa ukuhlawulwa kwamatyala ombane. iCity Power icime umbane kwindawo ezininzi zokumbindi wedolophu yaseGoli namhlanje. Eli phulo lenziwe ngentsebenziswano nee-arhente ezahlukeneyo zogcino-mthetho kuquka nezokhuseleko lwabucala. iCity Power ithi ngoku izokugxila kwizakhiwo ekuhlalwa kuzo ngongekho mthethweni.
Iqumrhu lombane iCity Power liqhube iphulo lalo lokuqhawula uqamangelo lombane olungekho mthethweni kwisixeko saseGoli apho ibinqala izakhiwo ezityala izigidi ngezigidi zeerandi.
We are, as City Power, obviously looking at the issues of illegality around the electricity connection. We are also going after those that are actually owing the City of Johannesburg money in terms of the services. Today we are actually going after about 38 million rands that is basically owed to both entities, with 26 million owed to water and about 11.6 owed to electricity. It is a bigger project that we are going to continue across the City of Johannesburg, especially those business customers and large power users. As you can see, we were at the hotel, and this is the second hotel that we're basically cutting. But the sad part about this one is that it also houses students. So it means that after cutting off here, students will probably be disrupted in terms of their studies.
Kweli phulo leCity Power liqhubekayo, umcelimngeni ehlangabezana nawo ngabo baphinde baqamangele kwakhona emva kokuqhawulelwa. Kodwa isithethi uIsaac Mangena sithi baqhubisana nako oko kukho amacebo abawaqingqileyo.
We have actually started managing those that are reconnecting. A lot of them are actually, some of them are actually behind bars, but also we have realized that most of those that are actually doing these reconnections are also assisted by our own employees, and most of those employees have actually been arrested. Some of them are actually fired, and even the contractors. This is some of the things that we have done, especially in terms of the new security strategy that we have put in place, so that we don't only use the armed response or the boots on the ground, but we also used intelligence and also technology to detect some of this thievery and vandalism that is happening on our network, and that's what we are going to do.
Eli qumrhu lithi ukuya phambili liza kuxila kwizakhiwo ezixhwiliweyo kumbindi wesixeko. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka, eGoli.